With StarBrix, creating a clear task plan for your project is effortless, whether you're managing customer projects, internal development, or product development of any kind. Assign people, set schedules, and connect tasks with dependencies, so your project moves forward smoothly and logically. Create tasks with subtasks at any level you need. Add new tasks and reorder them when needed. Set schedules by entering dates, or simply create a time bar by dragging with your mouse. Use colors to instantly identify different types of tasks. Copy entire task structures with a single click and adjust schedules with ease. If you're used to working in Excel, you can also create and manage your project's tasks in StarBrix using an Excel-like table. View your project's tasks in the project calendar. Add to-dos and events whenever needed. Or switch to the Kanban board. Easily update task status by dragging tasks between columns. In your personal menu, you see the projects and tasks that matter to you, always ready to be updated. All your projects and tasks also appear in your personal calendar. If you like, you can sync the calendar with the other calendars you already use. Do you want a complete overview of everything happening in your organization? Get a full overview of all projects and their tasks. View all tasks across the organization, or list them by person. With StarBrix, you're free to plan and follow up on projects and tasks exactly the way you prefer.